To deliver high customer experience, the journey of an airline starts much earlier. With our NetLine suite, airlines can handle all crew and aircraft management processes from planning to day of operations. With over 82 customers, we gain ideas and experiences that improve our integrated products towards digitalization and user experience. Optimize your network with NetLine Plan by adding new routes based on market information. Cancel unprofitable ones and optimize departure times for selected flights to get the best out of your network. Build a profitable schedule with NetLine Sched by finding automatically the right aircraft type for a selected flight. Make your schedule operationally feasible by synchronizing your slot inventory with your schedule and by checking violations like curfews, ground times, and more. Manage your codeshare relationships with SchedConnect. Map your network with partner networks discovering unidentified potential. Detect conflicts automatically. And have all schedules synchronized with up to 1 million changes daily. Manage your operations by exception with NetLine Ops++ and make fast and cost-efficient decisions in order to keep the schedule deviation impact as low as possible for the passengers. Plan your crew members. Build your pairings. Assign your individual crew members and track all changes on the day of operations with NetLine Crew. And behind all this stays a strong team of 500 people in Frankfurt, Berlin, and Budapest, all working together to deliver great products and consultancy, serving our customers' needs.